Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. So, we have been talking about animals and how they change. And we read a story yesterday. The last couple days, we've read a couple stories. And we talked about butterflies. And so, I wanted to share this story about butterflies right here. Now, what makes this one really, really cool is it's a science article. What does that mean? So, a science article is nonfiction. It tells about things that are real. And over here we have a diagram. And this is a diagram is something that shows information. And so it's labeled, it has numbers like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because it shows the life cycle of a butterfly. Look at this. Butterfly starts as an egg. A caterpillar hatches from the egg. The caterpillar hangs from a plant. The caterpillar makes a chrysalis. The caterpillar turns into a pupa. The pupa turns into a butterfly. Butterfly flies away, and then we have eggs again. So it all comes back around, and that's why it's a life cycle. You see how it goes all around? It's not broken. No. Okay. Now, as you read, one of our strategies is, especially on these like a nonfiction, is determining what is the most important idea. So you figure out what is the most important idea. So this is A Butterfly is Born and is by Fran Downey. Let's get to it. And wait till you see the pictures on this. This is great. There we go. Here we have a butterfly, and here's a close-up look at the egg. Look at that. Okay, a butterfly sits on a plant. She lays an egg. A butterfly egg is small. It will hatch soon. Then a caterpillar will come out. Ah, the caterpillar is hungry. It eats the plant. The caterpillar grows. Look at that picture of this caterpillar. Hello, Mr. Caterpillar. Over here, the caterpillar changes. It hangs from a plant. It makes a chrysalis. Chrysalis, what is that? Well, that's this thing here, right? This thing here is called a chrysalis, and it's going to cover the whole caterpillar. There's a better look at the chrysalis. Look at that. You can't see the caterpillar anymore. The caterpillar stays in the chrysalis. The caterpillar turns into a pupa. So inside of the chrysalis, the caterpillar is changing and it turns into a pupa. The pupa grows wings. It is a butterfly now. It comes out of the chrysalis. And if you look close, you can see the pupa. And this looks like a caterpillar's wing, doesn't it? Now, the butterfly is tired. Its wings are wet. It rests and dries. Why do you think the butterfly is tired? Well, look at this. This is the chrysalis. It crawled out, and it takes a lot of work to get out of there, and its wings are wet. Right? So it's a lot of work, and it can't fly right away. It's got to rest. So here's our chrysalis. Here's our butterfly. Here are its wet wings. And now the butterfly flies away. And there it is. They're so cool looking. I really, really, really like butterflies. Okay, and here is a bigger picture of that diagram that we looked at earlier. So the butterfly starts as an egg, caterpillar hatches from the egg, caterpillar hangs from a plant, caterpillar makes a chrysalis, the caterpillar turns into a pupa, the pupa turns into a butterfly, the butterfly flies away and lays egg, and then it goes on and on and on. So, what is the main idea of this story, right? Of this science article. What's the main idea? What is the thing that happened? A caterpillar changed into a butterfly, right? That would be the main idea. Now, there's a lot of little details, like they hatch from an egg, they turn to a caterpillar, the caterpillar goes into a chrysalis, and inside the chrysalis it turns into a pupa. Those are all details, but the main idea, the number one thing about this story, the thing that it's all about, is a caterpillar changing into a butterfly. All right. All right. Couple questions. Couple questions. What does the caterpillar make to hang from a leaf? What is this thing called? Do you remember? Chrysalis, right? What happens after the pupa grows wings? After the pupa grows wings, it, you remember? We can look back. So here's the pupa. It is a butterfly now. The pupa grows wings. It is a butterfly now. So it turns into a butterfly and then eventually comes out of the chrysalis and flies away. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this video about our butterfly friends. And I hope you enjoyed the pictures. I think they're really, really cool. All right, boys and girls, we will see you next time. Bye-bye.